Today I'm going to be showing you the Lone Rock Concepts water pump for the Rotopax. And so I'll show you what's inside. So it comes with this cool little bag right here. And then you have the attachments for the Rotopax. They give you some cool little stickers. And then, of course, the water pump. The little spout, which you'll see in a sec. So the little spout that goes in here. Be careful when you pull this out. There's a weight inside of this bag. It's this little guy right here. Just be careful not to fling it out when you pull it out of the bag, but this weight just goes to the end of the straw and it helps it just fall into the Rotopax.
All right, cool. So I removed some of the stuff out of the way, the boxes out of the way. These are the main important parts here. So here's your pump. You just press this button, turns it on. The charging port is in the back. That's why you got this cable, so make sure you hang on to that. This is the spout, so this is so you can, obviously pump the water out. I usually keep it like this, so it's easier to have the water bottle or fill up a dog bowl or a tea kettle or anything like that. You can also flip it upside down if that's easier for you. If you're gonna flip it upside down, it's probably best to put it the other way. And then this kind of acts like a traditional water fountain, like that you would find when you were in school. So yeah, that's those pieces here. This is the hose, just connects to the bottom here. Just push it up as much as you can. And then like Nicole was talking about, this is the weight. So this just helps it fall down to the bottom of the pump when you're feeding it into your water. This is the part of the Rotopax, so obviously this doesn't come with the kit. You can actually buy this piece by itself for like $5 to get an extra piece like off of Amazon or through rotopax.com. I'll tell you why that is a little pro tip for later on. But the way it attaches is, you just take this bottom piece here, just falls right in. You put the part with these little notches here face down, so it actually won't go this way. So even if you try, don't worry about putting it in correctly. You're just gonna feed this down, press the bottom piece, press it, and you'll feel it's nice and snug, won't come out. And then from here, you just feed the tube through, and then you just give this a little press. And there you go. So then this part will screw into your Rotopax right there, and you'll just tighten it up, and then you'll have water ready to go. And we'll show you what that looks like right after this. Yeah, and we've been using the Lone Rock Concepts water pump for quite a bit now. You might have seen them on our stories. We're always posting when we take them out to canvas, and it's just been tremendous. We've been using it for about a couple months now. And yeah, it's been one of the most valued added pieces to our camp equipment. It might just seem like such a small little thing, but this makes the world of a difference. Like I said, when we're at camp and we don't want to take those Rotopax down over and over, this just makes it so much easier for cooking, for drinking, all that. I'll show you that in a bit. But we did partner with Lone Rock Concepts. They were able to provide us with a coupon code, a discount code for you guys to enter. We'll keep that in the link below, and we'll have that in our link in our bio for socials. And yeah, you get a little discount there. And like I said, solid. It's made well. The people at Lone Rock Concepts are super nice, super friendly. They answer any questions, very responsive. And yeah, we'll show you how this attaches in a second. So as you can see, we hit the trails. Had a great day hitting the trails. Now it's time for some refreshment, right? Some good old H2O. So yeah, I'll show you. So earlier today I said you can buy one of these little attachments for like $5 off of Amazon or rotopax.com. Pro tip on that is, if you have one attached to it, it makes your life even that much easier, right? So I don't have to, disassemble this, put it on here. I got one ready to go. Again, this is like $5. So if you want to come over here, I'll show you how it attaches. So you just take this little piece off of here. Water spillage, I'm sure. And then, like we said about this little weight right here, so the cool thing about this weight is it helps it feed it down to the bottom. So just take your time, feed it down, and then take this piece off real quick. This little spout. And then you just want to twist it on here. Twist it as tight as you can. Spout. Ooh, and look at that. It's just easy to go, ready to go. So when I want to come and fill some water, just grab my water bottle here. I'm gonna hit this pump. You're gonna see it take a second, and that's just for the initial to suck it in. And then after that, it's pretty fluid. So just hit this button here. Look at that. Obviously, fill your water as much as you want. Hit that button, give it a little flicks. What I do sometimes too, if I don't want it dripping, is I'll just flip this upside down, keeps it up like that, and there you go. As Bobby Boucher said, H2O, right? But yeah, again, this is, you can't get any easier than this, right? You come to camp, you don't have to disassemble this. Anybody who has a Rotopax mount knows, you know, you twist it, you gotta undo everything. If you got a lock, you're gonna come and get the keys, take that piece out, you gotta disassemble them. The benefit of this too is if I could deplete this one here and I need to go get into my other water source, it's easy as just taking this piece off, coming over here, boom. Don't have to take them down, don't have any problems there. So yeah, honestly, look, it's been one of the, it seems so, you know, insignificant. It seems like the smallest little improvement, but this small improvement has helped a lot while we cook, while we make coffee, while we get water for the dog. Yeah, it's just, can't say anything better about it. So, and yeah, we have a discount code that Lone Rock Concepts has provided us for any of you who are watching this video. We hope you like this video. It'll give you a discount. It'll be linked in the description below. And yeah, happy trails.